How to fix Google Chrome app always not responding on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome app always not responding on Android phone. First just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find Chrome. Click on it and now just click here storage, clear cache, and then click force stop. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here to storage and then go to manage storage and then click clear all data. Click on it and click OK, and your problem will be fixed. And then just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.